Proper charging and maintenance are essential for the longevity and performance of your Crest current. Before we dive into charging, remember to take care of your boat with regular interior and exterior cleaning. Cover when not in use to protect the longevity of the upholstery, and always ensure that the battery switch is turned off between uses. Between uses, it's important to trim the motor out of the water. This helps prevent unnecessary exposure to water when the boat is not in operation. Now let's move on to the charging process. First, you need to properly dock your Crest current, ensuring a secure and stable position. Before charging, ensure that all battery switches are turned off. Double check that everything on the boat is turned off as well. Locate the 2 outlets on the back of the boat, one for the motor battery and the other for the house battery. Plug in motor battery for recharge. This should be done after every use. The battery will charge fully overnight. To monitor the battery life, refer to the gauge on the helm. The gauge will display the remaining battery charge. Consult with your dealer or refer to the owner's manual for specific details about the gauge or battery indicators. Following these steps will help you charge and maintain your Crest current.